These are some mind-blowing features to set up your Samsung Galaxy S23 fully. I mean, to get the very best out of this device. Now, the first feature to enable will enhance the sound produced from your device speakers, so you get rich bass boost and clear sound. Head over to settings, you select sound and vibration. Inside here, you want to scroll down and select sound quality and effects. Tap on Dolby Atmos and toggle on this feature. So inside here, there are 4 sound modes you can select from based on what you are doing on the device. But to get the very best out of your device speakers, it's best to go for auto, so everything is done automatically, so you can enjoy your rich bass boost and clear sound from your device speakers. Try this out on your device and let me know what you think. Protect battery is the next feature you want to have turned on your device if you are planning to use your precious S23 or any Samsung device for a longer period of time. Now, before I tell you about this feature, here's how to enable it. Still inside settings, you want to scroll down to battery and device care. Now select battery, then you scroll down again, then you click on more battery settings. At the bottom, you should see protect battery option. Now you can simply turn this on by tapping the switch here. Okay, so once you have this feature turned on, this is going to extend the lifespan of your battery, and your device battery is only going to charge up to 85% every time you put it on charge. Thank you very much for staying with me. Please share this video and also let me know in the comments which feature is your favorite so far. Still inside battery and device care, you want to scroll down to additional care, then you tap on auto optimization. The next thing you want to do is to tap on the switch here to enable this feature. Now with this feature enabled on your device is going to restart automatically to keep it in the best condition as possible. Now this is going to clear your memory, which is the device RAM, and also close background running apps as well. So here's one thing you need to note. This only happens when you are not using your device. Next, if you use your device most of the time just for texting, browsing or replying to emails, then you really need to enable this feature on your device. Open settings, then you want to scroll down to battery and device care. Click on battery. Now tap on more battery settings. Tap on performance profile and it's going to take you to this page. Now over here you are being served with 2 profile modes, standard, which is set by default, and light mode. Since you want your battery to last a longer period of time, select light. Now this is going to enhance the battery life on your device, meaning your device CPU speeds are going to be reduced in exchange for better battery life experience on the device. And also this is going to prevent the device from heating up most of the time. So like I said, if you normally use your device just for texting, browsing, sending emails, then you should definitely turn on light mode so you get more battery life on your device anytime. But if you feel you want to do something which is highly intensive, you can always switch back to the standard mode and it's very easy. So you finally made it to the end. Thank you very much for watching, and these are some features to get the very best out of your Samsung Galaxy S23 or any Samsung device out there running on One UI. Share this with your friends, like, comment your favorite so far, and stay safe guys.